How's it going, guys? My name is Justin, and thanks a lot for checking out the channel. Today's episode, what we're doing is we're revealing the brand new project car. This car is very ambitious of me to tackle a project like this. But with my vast knowledge, I feel that we will be able to make this car perfect. So without further ado, let's spin you around and let's take a look at the new project car. This is my brand new, well, not brand new to me, used 2003 Porsche Boxster. It's got the 5-speed manual transmission, and this thing, it's broken. It needs a lot of work. For example, as you can see, the window frame is actually hyperextended past the soft top seal. The soft top itself is in good condition. However, the back window has seen better days. Thankfully though, this is a vinyl window and it is actually sewn in place. So I can actually take this to a repair shop and get it sewn in no problem. But look at this. You know, it does have its odd little damages here and there, but I got it for an amazing deal and I could not say no. So as you can see, we got the rear bumper damage over here. The rest of the car is generally okay. And as far as the interior, yeah, it's disgusting. This needs a lot of work. As you can see, the driver's seat is all torn up. There's actual rat crap everywhere. So the entire car needs to get completely gutted and thoroughly cleaned. For today, the main goal is to do its first initial wash. It has been sitting for the past 2 years underneath trees and everything like that. So now it is to do its first wash. Let's get started. So this is how you clean a Porsche, right? You just start spraying everywhere. Yeah, it makes, got a little bit in there. Just want to be careful of that. Oh yeah. I don't know if those can get wet. Oh well. We'll try. Try anyways. Oh, got more in there. All right. So I did a very thorough deep clean. Actually, no, I just pressure washed it. But honestly, just pressure washing alone, getting all the algae and all the other crap off of it from when it was sitting underneath the tree for the past 2 years. You know, there's still the typical corrosion and everything around the wheel and all that. We'll get those all off and stuff. When we get it into the garage and up off the Gojeks, for all the algae to get off of it, it already looks just that much better. But yeah, now we gotta struggle to push it into the garage and get up on the Gojeks. Okay guys, and just like that, it is the new day, and as you can see, we got the car up on the Gojeks. So, judging by the thumbnail and the title of this video, it was major clickbaity. But, we're not wrong. The reason why is because I am going to turn this car into the exact GT3 RS in lava orange that you saw on this thumbnail. I have secured a company in the UK that creates an entire body conversion kit for this car. It comes with brand new quarter panels, brand new front fenders. It comes legitimately an entire body conversion into the 911 GT3 RS. The kit doesn't come with the headlights and the glass and the marker lights and the back window, taillights, what have you, but the entire body. So the whole front clip is getting removed and replaced with the GT3 RS design. The windshield and the windshield frame is going to essentially remain the same. Same with the stock doors. However, we will be putting a blank plate right here along the mirrors, and we're also going to be mounting the mirrors on the door in its correct position. With the new quarter panels that it's coming with, it's actually going to eliminate the soft top. It's going to incorporate it in the design just like the correct coupe design. Complete new rear end design, complete new rear bumper, taillights, trunk lid, everything. We will be doing the full tall GT3 RS wing, and same with the little duckbill design on the rear hatch there also. As you guys have seen on the thumbnail too, we will be doing a full LS swap on this car. I've already completely gutted the interior because it stunk so badly. You know, short from the door panels and all that stuff, which I'll clean up later. It's not a big deal. But yeah, as you can see, the interior is just all off to the side behind me here. It stunk so bad, so I cleaned it all up, vacuumed everything, Pressure washed some of the carpet already, and it already has made a massive improvement. The nice thing is this is already fixed with a 5-speed manual transmission. I was really hoping for the 6-speed manual, but at least it's not the automatic. What we'll probably try to do is get a new design steering wheel, retrofit it with the new design airbag and what have you too. There is even thoughts about turbocharging the LS setup. Not only would it be crazy to invest money in one of these older cars, that is an absurd amount of money. Believe me, it's not very wise to spend this kind of money on this type of car, because essentially you can get a way better car already. But I figured, why not build it? The journey on the Skyline was a lot of fun, so I figured, why not try something on a Porsche? That would be even funner. But before we go any further, a quick word from our sponsors. I'm just kidding, guys. There actually is no sponsors, although I do need your help. On a project like this, if you guys actually want to see it come true, please like this video and subscribe. I'm in desperate need of support to make this project happen. If I get enough views and if this video actually gets out there, I could potentially work with some amazing people. You know, I've always dreamed about working with Texas Speed, Summit Racing, or Holly Performance, bigger brands like that, because I'm gonna take a book out of DDE and say, #1 Porsche ambassadors on the internet. If you guys really want to see this project come alive and happen, please show some support down below in the comment section, and also subscribe to the channel. But could you guys imagine? I have seen Porsche Boxers on the internet, on YouTube, with the LS conversion. Actually, Tyler Hoovy is one of the guys that I got the idea from, Apollo 911 that he had, that blew up on him while he was doing a track day. And in the early years with the Wizard, he ended up doing the LS conversion. But could you guys imagine nasty grumble sound of the LS out of a GT3 RS converted Boxster 986? That would just boggle people's minds. And could you imagine also taking it to the Porsche dealership just for an oil change, just for a fun video? You know, they would probably go out, read the VIN, as everything is per VIN. They'd read, okay, O2 Boxster. Go out into the parking lot, go, no, we don't see no O2 Boxster. Click the fob, beep beep. A GT3 RS? What the heck? The paperwork says O2 Boxster. And then they go in, okay, well, key works and everything. Turn it on, hear the grumble of the LS. They would not know what to do with themselves. And if I actually managed to pull off turbocharging it, they would hear the whistle of the turbo. They would not know what's going on with this car. Then they pull it into the shop, open up the little hatch, and see that there is an LS hiding behind that. They would lose their minds. Actually, quite honestly, they'd probably call me and tell me to come pick up this monstrosity. They don't want it at their dealership. Actually, when I had the Skyline, I visited Porsche Center Langley, and they were actually extremely cool. I had the Skyline there. It was a cars and breakfast event. They were showing off a bunch of other people's cars and whatnot. And yeah, I would love actually to take the car completed to them. But let me be clear, guys. This is not going to be an overnight project. If I can seriously pull this off, do a full GT3 RS body conversion and an LS swap with the thoughts of potentially turbocharging it, this is going to take a while. And that's why I'm saying, if you guys really want to see this happen, please show your support. Share this video around. I would love just to break the internet with this video and the potential video series. If doing the GT3 RS body conversion is out of the question, I am still hands down going to be LS swapping this thing. The company that I've been talking to in the UK says it's about an 8-week process for manufacturing for the kit of this car. And honestly, it's pretty expensive. I would love to make this dream come true and make it a reality, because when people see a GT3 RS, which is essentially a $250,000 car, people are going to lose their minds when they figure out that this is a conversion car along with an LS swap. And like I mentioned, potentially a turbocharged LS swap. Obviously, we'd change the whole wheel fitment and everything like that. Probably get BC Racing coilovers on it. Do some crazy stuff to the interior. I would love to do a full race-inspired black Alcantara interior. Just make everything crazy. Obviously, this convertible top won't be here no more. Actually, I can't even get it to operate, to open up. With the battery connected and everything, I can't figure it out. There must be a module disconnected or something, but as you can see, it is unlatched. But honestly, if we buy that kit, we don't need that. So that's it for the moment, guys. Thank you so much for checking out this episode. It might have been a letdown for you guys from the thumbnail and stuff, but I promise you, I want to make this happen. I've already acquired the car. I just need your guys' help to spread the word and to get this video known and out there. So that way I can see that you guys want to make this happen also, which will give me the incentive, put the deposit down on the kit and to put down the deposit on the engine conversion kit also. There was another company, I believe out in the States, that does the full engine conversion kit. So that's gonna be no problem. The hardest part, honestly, is going to be getting this body kit. So if you want to see this guys completely transform, subscribe to the channel. Check the link in the description down below for my Instagram. Make sure you follow me on there. And that way, if there's any further developments, you guys get the first sneak peeks of anything before the channel does. I think I gotta go get a second job to fund this. But as always, guys, thanks a lot for checking the channel. I hope you have a good one.